In an earlier post, we discussed some speculative details and our hopes for the impending Sony FX10, a cinema camera with a focus on affordability from the renowned brand. We articulated our wish list in that video, and now we're learning additional details about the leak specifications. So let's go straight into the Sony FX10 and thoroughly comprehend it without further ado. Sony is anticipated to release a new video player called FX10 this year, as reported by Sony Alpha Rumors. Essentially, the FX10 can be seen as an updated version of the ZVE10, featuring the latest Bions XR processor. The FX10 model, inspired by the design language of FX models, incorporates the visual aesthetics of its predecessors. Internally, it shares similar specifications with the ZVE10. However, it distinguishes itself by utilizing the advanced Bions XR processor. In addition to the Bions XR processor, the FX10 will be equipped with a groundbreaking AI processor. This innovative feature will enable intelligent scene recognition and optimization, automatically adjusting settings to capture the perfect shot in any situation. The AI processor will enhance image stabilization, reduce noise, and optimize exposure, ensuring the effortless creation of professional quality videos. As we've already told you, Sony FX10 is set to replace the image processing engine found in the Sony ZVE10. With the addition of an AI processor and an upgrade to 4K at 60 frames per second, the FX10 will definitely offer significant enhancements over the current ZVE10. This exciting development is particularly attractive to those seeking the superior quality of 4K at 60 FPS. But it'll not only be a video player, but also a versatile multimedia hub. It will support various video formats, including 4K and HDR, ensuring compatibility with the latest industry standards. The device will boast ample storage capacity, expandable via memory cards, enabling users to store a vast collection of videos and multimedia content. Although FX10 won't feature the IBIS, it'll be the most affordable APS-C cinema camera, making it ideal for all amateur filmmakers to jumpstart their careers. One standout feature of the FX10 will be its inclusion of a mechanical shutter. This addition will enable precise control over exposure, allowing users to capture stunning still images alongside their video recordings. The mechanical shutter will ensure crisp and detailed photos, providing users with even more creative possibilities. The FX10 will also be compact and lightweight, making it highly portable and ideal for video enthusiasts on the go. Its ergonomically designed grip that will ensure comfortable handling during extended use, and its durable materials will guarantee longevity and resilience against everyday wear and tear. And the interface will be designed to be intuitive and user-friendly for everyone. FX10 will incorporate a high-resolution touchscreen display, providing a seamless navigation experience. It will offer a range of shooting modes, customizable settings, and advanced video editing options, empowering users to unleash their creativity and produce captivating content. After all this discussion, you may start to wonder what you should go for, ZV or FX. Well, the main factor that distinguishes the ZV series from the FX series is its ability to handle high temperatures. The FX series is the ideal choice for situations where missing a shot is not an option, especially when filming outdoors in hot weather. On the other hand, if you don't mind the possibility of having to reshoot and prefer a more playful approach, then the ZV series may be more suitable for you. Now, let's discuss its arrival date. According to the sources, Sony FX10 is set to be announced before the summer of 2023, and the price will be less than $1,500, which makes it a really lucrative deal. What do you think? Then, post your comments in the space provided below. For additional content like this one in the future, think about subscribing. Thank you for your time.